This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have an LG oven where the oven door is not going back on like it's supposed to, so we're trying to put it in to the slots there in the oven cavity, and then every time we try to bring it down to the flat or 90-degree angle, it keeps falling out. So something is not right. I'll show you guys how to fix this today. It's really easy. If you just have a big pair of pliers or vice grips would be really good. And it's a common problem with how the spring tension in the hinges work. So if we look at these here, they're pointing like straight up at us. What we want to do is grab a pair of vice grips and grab it so we have some leverage. We want to get it locked on there nice and tight. We need to bring the hinge down to about 45 degrees and then close this metal piece to hold it there on both of these hinges. And we do it on the other side too, so we can see it's pointing like straight up at us. We're going to grab it and we're going to bend it down. It's under a lot of spring tension, so you need some kind of good leverage. Bring it down to about 45 degrees and then take this piece and push it down to hold it there. Now at this angle we can put the door back on. See the angle? That's correct. That's going to be a lot easier. So we're going to push these into the slots, into the cavities. I'm going to push in with my knee and get it way in there as far as it'll go. I want to make sure it's right up against the cavity, and then I'll bring the door down 90 degrees and then I'll close these latches by pushing them all the way toward the oven cavity, and now the door closes really good. It's just trying to get those in the right position before putting the door in. So just to review it, if we look at these, one is correct, this one's good, but this one kind of sprung the wrong way, so we got to use again some kind of big pliers or vice grip to grab it, and we're going to bend it out about 45 degrees and then bring this piece in. You got to make sure it really sits. See, it just failed, it gave way. Keep playing with it until it stays at that 45-degree angle. There we go. So now I can do the same thing. I can lift it up and rest it against my legs so I don't hurt my back, and then get these forks into the oven cavity and then push it in as far as it'll go. Make sure it's really in there. So the bottom of the door is touching the oven cavity, and then you can bring it down to flat or 90 degrees, close these latches, and you're done. And this is true for a lot of different types of ovens, and then it closes really good. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support, and when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.